Hello everyone, Amanda Brett here. I'm painting an online tutorial. This is Frasers Cafe here in Auckland, New Zealand, my hometown. I'm just doing a little bit of a prep just so you can see what I do to prepare to paint. This is actually a used piece of, whoopsie. Oh, can I get in there? Oh, not straight though. All done. A used piece of Fabriano Artistico, and so you can see it's not flat. I used it this morning actually, but it will be okay for what we're doing today. So I take onto the paper and then I overlap onto the board at the ends. I don't tape it all the way around flat onto the board. I don't need to. My painting's always flat now. I never have a problem. Just a little bit on the sides just to hold it a little bit flat. Okay, right. Quick sketch, nasty sketch. As you recall earlier, I sketched out, I just did a thumbnail with black and white. Not exactly the same ratio as what I'm going to paint on. Gee whiz, never mind. Cool, we'll just have to get stuck in. So I'm just going to give myself a general mark of my thirds. I'm just going to eyeball it. I don't measure anything. I don't care. It's not quite true, but you get the gist of it. This is going to be, the 2/3 mark is going to be the line with the edge of my building down here. And this is going to be no straight lines. And that third is going to come down here, and then that side of the building that's in shade is very, very narrow, so I'm just going to use my little finger to anchor onto the board so I can do a straight line. That's good. Okie dokie. And I think the top of my building is going to be here. And then I need this line here. Am I all straight? Let's check. Yes, I am. That's going to be there. And then this line, this perspective line, is going to be like this. Bit of a power cut, but I can keep painting. Something went wrong. Bit of a brown out, but never mind. Okay. All right, where am I up to? And then here's my foreground mark with my footpath going up there. On the third through here, this feels very small. Why does it feel so small? I might take that up higher. That's better. And I will erase that because I'll keep going back to, oh, I could use that for those other marks. Okay, but I can get rid of that one there. Okie dokie. Right, on my third, just going to push that right through there. That's the veranda. Using my pinky to give me a straight line again. Okay, doorway in here. And there's a window in there. She comes down quite a lot low. Look how low it comes down to. Not that I have to be particularly accurate, but sometimes accuracy, knowing what's there, helps you to understand the scene. And also knowing what's there helps you to understand, do I want to do it this way? Do I want to do it a different way? Oops. Big windows. And this one's narrower. And then, let's see, can't quite get that far over. Kind of using my hand as a compass. I'm going to put these window stays in. Okay, and it comes down to there. A few more people, a little bit of a crowd. And then I need a few people sitting here at the tables. And then this lovely lady standing here. And I'm going to give her a shopping bag, actually. She's swinging it. Okie dokie. So these are very small people. They're very small people for me. So it'll be a skill that I can hopefully work with, because I'm not very good at doing small things. Anyway, okay, let's launch in. So